Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. Today in this video we will learn how to create a dynamic calendar or how to create an automatic calendar in our Excel. So if you want to create a calendar for a January 2022 which starts from Saturday, so you need to write 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 like this way, and right now the cell format is in a number format, so we need to select it and make it to number without decimal. Instead of creating it in manual way, we'll be using some formulas and create a calendar which is like, if you are creating a January calendar manually, you can't use it for a February. You need to again write the numbers and then you need to create a calendar again. So to avoid that, we will be creating an automatic calendar. As soon as you will change the month and the year, the below calendar will get changed. So without wasting time, let's begin the video. So let me first remove these numbers, and I'll be writing the formula in K6 cell as a equal to sequence, and then the rows we are taking is a 6 and the column is a 7, and the date value we will be considering as a month and year. We're closing the bracket minus weekday. Again we'll be taking month and year plus 1. So you can see that we have a unique code of that particular date. So if you will convert, no need to worry that what these numbers are coming. So these are in the number format. If you will convert it in a short date, you can see that, let me increase the width of this cells. So you can see that now the dates are coming in this way, that 1st January 2022 and this all thing. But I don't want full date to be visible. I just want the day to be visible. So we will go to more number formats, and in more number format we'll go to custom. Custom, you can see that it is right now month, day and year. I will be selecting the below date, month and year, and I will be just removing everything after D. So you can see that in sample it will be just as a 26, and I will be pressing OK. So now you can see that the calendar for January is created, but I don't want the extra dates to be visible over here. So to unhide or to remove this, we will be applying the conditional formatting. So to apply a conditional formatting, what we will do, first let me, so now we have decreased the column width, and now we will select this and go to conditional format. We will create a new rule, and for that rule we will be using this function use a formula to determine, and then we will be writing the formula as month and K6. K6 is this 26 date. We close this, less than, greater than, and then again month. We'll write this and this, parenthesis closed, format automatic to white. We'll make the cells as a white and we'll click on OK. So you can see that the dates which are less than or greater than this month and this year, so that particular dates are visible with white color. So now if I change it from January to Feb, so you can see that as soon as I am turning it to the February 2022, it is taking in this way, like it is giving us the February calendar. Now if I want to change the year, 2021, so it is giving us the February 2021. So it is not like that you need to completely write the full month name. If you will just write Jan, then also it is fine. If you will write April, then also it is visible, and if you just write April, then also it is visible. So this is the simplest way where you can create a automatic dynamic calendar very simply and very quickly. So that's all for this video. See you in next video. I hope you liked the tip. Do share, like and subscribe to our channel and let your friends also know these tips. Thank you.